What's going on, guys? This is East Coast Garage here, back at you with another update. This is my 08 Lexus is350. It is the rear-wheel drive model. It's a little different since last time. They still got pretty much the same front end, just with different wheels and tires. We've done a couple of cosmetic things. I've ordered a camber kit for the front and rear and some BC DS series coilovers with Swift springs. I will do a reveal video with the BCs in. We'll start up with the front. We have VLAN's gorgeous headlights that just came out maybe a year ago. Finally got my pair. With the whole COVID-19, it's been stressful and different, trying to order stuff. Everything takes forever, but that's the front. We wrapped in some ESR CS11s, wrapped in Hancock Ventus V12s. I love these tires. I've had great luck with them. They last long. They love to get hot when you take corners and stuff. And I just flipped my side skirts around. I put the smaller portion up front and the bigger portion up back. The setup that I did in the rear is a 255 on a 9.5, 19 by 9.5, and the front's an 18 by 8.5 with plus 22 offset. These cars love to break loose in the rear end when you punch it from a dig and you have no traction, so I went with a much lighter tire in the back. I also added this diffuser to the car. It's an eBay diffuser. A lot of people have this. It doesn't fit the greatest. It's all right, does the job, makes the car look a lot more aggressive in the rear. I also have VLAN taillights, and these actually do work. I have a couple bulbs that are out. I just need to replace them. We still have 20% window tint all the way around. Doesn't look that dark right now because it's sunny out, and I do have the sunroof cracked. But there's another side shot of the car. For exhaust, I just have secondary cat delete, stock resonator, no mufflers. I want to go a little bit louder. I actually want to get an axle back, like a Megan Racing or something like that. I'll turn on the headlights for you guys. Should turn on. Yep, it did. These are the VLANs. Very nice. They look really nice at night. Great projectors. VLAN, I've had these taillights for over a year. They're phenomenal. They look like the newer F Sport taillight. Look really great, really aggressive. And there are the marker lights down below. But yeah, this is an update of my 08 is350. If you guys could leave a like, drop a comment what you think of the car, that would be great. Thank you.